Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want Google Chrome to save and fill your address information automatically? Chrome has a useful setting called Save and Fill Addresses. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable this setting in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap Address and More. The Address and More settings will appear. Here you see Save and Fill Addresses. You can turn the switch on or off. Turn it on to let Chrome save and fill your address information automatically, or turn it off to stop Chrome from saving and filling your address information. Choose the option you want to use, and that's how to enable or disable Save and Fill Addresses in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.